Karnataka sure is making some serious moves in global manufacturing. From Foxconn's billion-dollar expansion to Volvo scaling up production, the state is turning into India's industrial powerhouse. Not to forget, just a few days back, Karnataka had secured a massive $115 billion investment, and you had got to know of that right here on AIM Media House. But exactly how big is this transformation of the state? And what does it mean for India's manufacturing ambitions? Let's break it down for you. Let's start off with the biggest headline grabber, Foxconn. Apple's primary supplier is going all in on Karnataka. Foxconn has already invested $1 billion into a massive iPhone assembly plant near Doddaballapur, which will create over 40,000 jobs. And if this wasn't enough, the company just announced another $1.67 billion investment, cementing Karnataka as a key player in global electronics manufacturing. Could this become India's China moment in high-end manufacturing? But let me tell you, this is not just about smartphones. Karnataka is also becoming an automotive giant. Volvo just pumped in 1,400 crore INR into its Hoskote facility to boost production to 20,000 units per year and add 2,000 new jobs. And guess what? This is just the start. Karnataka's new industrial policy is aiming to attract a mind-blowing 7.5 lakh crore INR in investments and generate 2 million jobs just by 2029. That is just 4 years from now. And of course, how can we forget the EV boom in good old Karnataka? Karnataka is quite literally driving India's electric vehicle revolution. Mahindra is setting up a state-of-the-art EV manufacturing plant. BYD is investing heavily to scale up EV production in India. TVS Motor is expanding its hybrid and EV lineup. Ola Electric is doubling down on its EV gigafactory in Bengaluru. I mean, with all of this momentum, Karnataka can very soon become the Detroit of India's EV industry. But let me tell you, Foxconn and Volvo are just the tip of the iceberg. Major global players are setting up shop in Karnataka, and here's who are leading the charge. Bosch is putting in 4.5 billion INR in investments in new manufacturing and research hubs. Havells putting in 7.1 billion INR for expansion for Tumkur manufacturing and Bengaluru R&D. TVS Motors putting in an investment of 20 billion INR into R&D for the future of mobility. Ultratech Cement putting in a massive 45 billion INR investment to push for cement production. And let's not forget Hitachi Energy, which already exports 80% of its Karnataka-made products globally and is expanding its Mysore plant as well. So the real question is, can Karnataka take on, say, a China and become a global manufacturing leader? With the second highest FDI inflow in India, home to 750 plus multinational corporations, and responsible for 6% of India's total exports, Karnataka is definitely on the right track. It is not just India's Silicon Valley anymore, it's shaping up to be a global manufacturing giant. What do you think? Is Karnataka ready to become a global manufacturing superpower from here? Can India build the right infrastructure and policies to compete with the absolute big leagues? Or does it still have a long way to go? And if you're a young professional working in the tech field or the AI field, definitely let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with a fellow AI enthusiast, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to AI Media House for more such real-time live updates from the world of AI, from the world of tech, because think AI, think AIM.